This is a high-productivity roller printing machine designed specifically for garment printing. It is equipped with many practical configurations such as control panel, integrated copper brush collector ring, rear protection paper motor speed regulation, protective paper double air extension shaft, blanket separation adjustment, automatic foul correction, high-quality polished motor, pneumatic booster panel, double air expansion shaft sublimation paper, double talker for fabric and sublimation paper receiving motor speed regulation, conveyor belt correction, conveyor belt adjustment, and other practical configurations. Next,